Welcome in the 3T Wheels official service center for Europe. In order to benefit from the repair under warranty service, it is necessary to fill in the form on the right. First, please indicate the return authorization number. This number must be a unique number in order to allow the tracking of each wheel considered defective from its shipping by the dealer until it's returned to him or her once repaired. The convention we adopted for all these 3T distributors requires the RA number to be composed by the initial of the technician who first assessed the wheel, followed by the date when you sent out the wheel to us, and finally followed by the number of the wheel that has been shipped that day. Let's say is the fourth wheel that has been shipped. Here you can describe the problem, for example, a crack on a rim. Select the product from the list and mark also its serial number for double checking. Now it's time to upload an image of the proof of purchase. It can be a PDF or a picture of the invoice. And also one or two photos of the defect. It is very important that these pictures are clear enough for us to judge what the problem is in advance. All set. We click on Add to Bag. Here are the summary of the data you fill in. Please verify that everything is correct. In case you need to send a couple of wheels, so another wheel from the same retailer, please click on Add Request and fill in another form, of course with a different RA number. Make sure you read the term and condition and accept them. Basically, it is necessary to receive the original proof of purchase with the wheels and also the transport document for us to send the wheels back to the dealer once repaired. Click on Checkout. Here, please enter the data of the dealer. Should it be the first time you do send something to that dealer, you will have to fill up the form. In case this is not the first time you serve that customer, just click on the shipping address from the ones previously entered. The delivery method is, of course, under warranty. Here you can add some further instruction if you will. Make sure that this option is checked, although we will not bill the dealer but distributor. But for the sake of speed, let's click Continue. And here you have the summary of your order. Check one last time that every detail is correct, and then place the order. At this point, an automatic email will be sent to you with the details of the order. Should you not receive it right away or in the first few minutes, please check your spam folder. If it's not there either, then do not hesitate and contact us through this link by filling up this contact form, and we will assist you as soon as we can, very quickly. So thank you very much for your attention. We wish you satisfaction with this new service, and see you soon.